Hi guys and ladies, we are just after the refuge and we are above 3,260 meters of altitude, and it's the landscape. It's really breathtaking. It's gonna kill lots of your energy, and the heartbeats are starting to go like crazy. So you have to watch, count your steps, keep your balance, because you might be losing your balance at any moment. One, two, three. We are just half an hour away from the cable car station, and a bit less than an hour from the Teide summit. 1, 2, 3. The yearbest there is no vegetation because it's all volcanic shape. The sun is shining, but if you stop and you cool down, the temperature right now is 7 degrees, and we are going to pass through open cave which is up there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Always put your hands in front when you don't feel stable with the balance. Watch your steps. Inhale and exhale very intensively, and the rest will flow smoothly. That being said, we will keep trekking up to the summit, and I'll see you in a bit at the summit. If you like watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up.